Hi friends! Welcome back to the Wonder Workshop with Mr. Mike. I'm Mr. Mike. Today, we're going to talk about something that happens to everyone. Kids, grown-ups, even me. They're called mistakes. Have you ever made a mistake before? Maybe you said the wrong thing. Maybe you got an answer wrong. Maybe you spelled something or missed or messed something up. Guess what? That's okay. We all make mistakes, and no one's perfect. Sometimes when we make mistakes, our brain starts thinking really hard. We might wonder, did I mess up? Will people laugh at me? Did I do something wrong? But making mistakes doesn't mean you failed. Actually, mistakes are how we learn and grow. When babies learn to walk, they fall. When we learn to read, we mess up words. When we learn something new, we get it wrong first. That's not failing. That's practicing. I feel something. Do you guys feel it? You know what time it is? That's right. It's wonder time!
Let's go wonder time. Let's go wonder now. Let's wonder time. Let's go wonder now. Let's wonder. Let's go wonder now. Let's go wonder now.
Okay, let's imagine this together. Come in. Come on. All right. A student in your classroom answers a class question and they get it wrong. What could they do next? Anyone? Could they try again? Could they ask for help? Could they remind themselves that they're still learning? Yes, they can do all those things because mistakes, again, mean that we're learning. I want you to remember something really important. Making a mistake doesn't make you bad. It makes you brave because you tried. And trying is how we grow. So next time you make a mistake, take a deep breath. Tell yourself, I'm learning. And then try again. I'm so proud of you for learning and growing with me today. Thanks for coming to the Wonder Workshop. I hope to see you next time. Bye.
It's the Wonder Workshop, where we build, explore, and learn things right. Come on kids, shout it loud on 3. 1, 2, 3. The Wonder Workshop with Mr. Mike, where we build, explore, and learn things right. Come on kids, shout it loud on